Welcome to the senior men individual kumite karate in the 84 kg category in the 11th All India Police Judo Cluster 2026 happening at GMC Balayogi Indoor Stadium in Hyderabad. This is the second round of bouts happening between Mandeep Gagoi from CRPF and Anil Kumar from JH. So Mandeep is a winner. So we are having in the third round of senior men individual kumite in the 84 kg category. Southern playing against Suresh Bhai from Gujarat. Southern in the red belt and Suresh Bhai in the blue corner, we can see. So almost 1.5 minute had passed away. Arunachal Pradesh, I believe. See the red flag in favor of Southern. See once again red flag raised up. Beautiful 3-pointer we have seen to the red corner Southern, and here he wins. In the red corner we can see Aryaman Sangwan from CISF, and in blue it's Jenin. See some injury concern for the red corner. Back to the board once again. It's 2 minutes 29 seconds. 2-all score as of now. Going for a good blow, good punch, but well escape. Oh, good takedown. That's the reason red flag raised up. It means Aryaman has been awarded beautiful 3-pointer for that takedown. So very quickly we have seen Aryaman. So going for the attack, Aryaman this time. So under 3 minutes, whoever takes the domination, karate, where 2 athletes fight under controlled rules and are judged on valid techniques, timing, distance and control. And again a red flag raised up. Beautiful point to Aryaman. It's a kick on to his head. That's the reason we have seen. Oh, one more punch. Yes, here ends the bout. Having a score of 10, Aryaman had won this bout from CISF. Here comes Ankit Sharma from ITBP and Naman. Oh, good punch over the throat. Beautiful escape from the blue corner. In favor of blue corner, Naman. If the referee misses the point, there are 4 judges to assist him. Both red and blue flags in each of the official hands. A good punch, that's the reason red corner got a single point. Kick to the body, it will be 2 points, and kick to the head, say in the commentary, will be 3 points in point style systems. So far blue corner Naman is in lead because of that penalty, and 2-all score so far. Oh no, because of the injury, coach had requested the referee. On the screen we are watching Sheikh Babji from Andhra Pradesh and Pawan Joshi from Haryana. Both the athletes going for the leg attacks, but Nothing worked out there.
Kamkumang, Delhi, out. Jitendra,
He turned
Jitendra
back.
from BSF. Kamkumang,
Oh, beautiful point to the blue corner
Kamkumang, Delhi.
to Pawan Joshi. We have seen 4 warnings to Sheikh Babji on the screen. Yes, because of the 5 mistakes, blue corner Pawan Joshi had won this bout. So now on the screens we are having Yashin Sheikh and Ritesh Ray. Yashin Kamkumang. So because of that punch, we have seen so far the score equal for both the athletes. See the stance. Oh, beautiful punch. No, it's an accurate one. That's the reason 1 point added to Jitendra. Maintain the balance. Oh. Oh, one more punch we have seen. Kick. See, wonderful technique. The skill we have seen from Jitendra. Good escapes in the proper area. Technically, he is playing. Will definitely lead to falls. See the struggle. From the beginning phase of the bout, we have seen Jitendra in the right time, blowing the punches. That 3-pointers couple of times added the score towards 11 points to Jitendra. See the speed, the aggression, the power, and the strong grip. And now see, up to 18 we have seen the drastic score. Yes, it's almost 18-4. Yes, points in favor of blue fighter. One more penalty for red fighter. It's a warning given to red fighter because of after throw he had taken a grip, means a holding, pushing. On the screen everything is visible. 2 warnings towards the blue fighter. -2 for gripping. We have seen 23-1 in favor of opposite side. You can see the camera covering, so it will be visible for the TV viewers also. In front of me there is a camera, so it's 28 points in favor of blue fighter. 3 times more than coach had been appealing. It's 20 because of that punch. 2 points added to the red fighter. The continuous action in a blink of an eye we can see from the fighters. So each round will be of 2 minutes. So a technical glitch in between happened. That's the reason. Oh, wonderful takedown. 3 more points in favor of red fighter. So immediately we have seen leg attacks. 2, 3, and a good grip. So Omkar Ganesh from CISF is the winner. Welcome back to the 11th All India Police Judo Cluster 2026 in GMC Balayogi Indoor Stadium. This is one more final in the senior male over 65 kg to 70 kg category. Achyut Boro from CISF Police in the red corner and Sangram Patil from Maharashtra in the blue corner. He had lost his lifeline. It's gone invalid. No option to appeal again in this entire bout. And it's a good punch. That is Achyut Boro from CISF Police. See the technique. Oh, wonderful escape from the red fighter. He has been busy in defending itself. It's not enough. CISF Achyut got one more point because of the leg attack. So one having 3 points, one having -3. Maharashtrian Police, who is in the blue corner, Sangram Patil. That's the reason the score in the -4. After the tournament director had reviewed, so decision in favor of him, and he had to come back. See, once again the cross, leg cross. See the technique and the penalties after taking multiple warnings. So back into action once again.
CISF is 14.16. -8 in Maharashtra.
See the punch, good blow, -1 point. Oh, is that a violation once again? 7 points in favor of Achyut Boro. See the movement of the hands in the negative score with -8 points because of the violations, the penalties. 2026 11th All India Police Judo Cluster Championship. So Achyut Rao also trying to carry that legacy from CISF. So far he had 12 points in his favor. It will be deducted for each fall only 1 point. That's the reason from Wasit we have seen CISF had one more gold medal in their account.
An international referee.
And she is also an international referee. So here starts the first round of 45 to 50 kg. Wow, good takedown. 2 points in favor of Anup Singh from ITBP. So this is the final, one last moment for both of the fighters. So 3-all in the score for both of the athletes.
Speaking, Swarna, this is my first time in All India Police Games and it is awesome feeling. You are watching Ramchandra had that thrust kick. In kick we get 2 points each. Ravi Chaudhary had some doubts. Now the match is resumed. Both of them are recruited by our game, so this game becomes more important for both of them and even for us too.
Yes, both of them is equally fighting and nothing big difference in the scoreboard. Just now 2 points because of that strongest grip from the red fighter though. Good escape we have seen.
This is cutthroat fight in between Ramchandra Deepak Badak from CISF red corner.
Anup Singh from ITBP Police having a lead of half the score more against Ramchandra Deepak Badak, who is in the red fighter, red corner. Oh, wonderful. See, the blue fighter, within fraction of seconds, he is utilizing his technique, very quick reflexes.
What a performance. Oh my God. This is very, very important match for both of them. You know, whole year they practice for this. My -1 because I told you, no, moderate violation. This is called cutthroat, really. Oh my God. What a throw. That was not intentional.
As this is the final, we have 3 rounds. That too, 32-point difference should be there for the winner.
We were watching the match earlier. There was a girl, Nidhi. She played so well. In first round only she won. She got walkover. Now we are watching the match between Ramchandra Deepak Badak CISF and Anup Singh ITBP. What a match. The audience and everybody is so warmed up.
See, 40 all as of now. Just 2 minutes. Oh my God. 42 all. See, this is the crowd. This is the crowd support. See the moral boost up, the motivation given to both the athletes. See, fantastic, no? This is the topmost score so far, I think. It is 42 all. The final one, last moment for both the fighters and the crowd, the officials, everyone. Very excited to watch who will be the winner. See! Beautiful. One more time. 2 points for both the fighters. 1 point lead for the blue fighter. And
Now they have to just watch. If they think also, see also, they cannot ask for the review. That's why being a coach is not easy. You need to be very careful with your review card. It is really crucial. The difference between a 4-point difference is there. Again, the verbal warning given to blue corner. Now the last few minutes are left. Oh my God, 1 minute, more than 1 minute, 1 minute 18 seconds left. A throw, drop given by Ramchandra Badak, 59-56. Oh my God, 1 minute left and they are not ready to leave the match. Everybody is trying so hard.
yes, it is visible from the crowd, the technical officials, everyone are on their toes. See, again 1 point in lead with the red fighter.
Of course, the last match is always like that. We wait. You will see everyone see 2 points. But it is that you are giving 2 points. But which referee is going to see? 62-63 is the score.
So
5 seconds left.
5 seconds left. 1 point in lead in favor of blue fighter. That is Anup Singh. Will ITBP
Last 5 seconds.
or CISF, anything can happen. Blue fighter in the lead. 69. He won the bout. Congratulations, Anup Singh. Finally. So we have five members in these, each of the teams, Kerala team and BSF. Very clearly, every team, one player will come. Each athlete will fight the bout. So at the end of the round, all the athletes' score will be calculated.
CISF and Delhi Police.
And kicks, score points. When it comes to the team Kumite, sparring is also done here as a team. Suddenly, if the team result is tied or tiebreakers may include total score, number of ippon or fewer penalties can occur. sometimes the whole team may be disqualified in some systems, in some other competitions. The next bout between both the Kerala and BSF teams. Oh, wonderful takedown. For that takedown, we have seen the score of 2 points for the blue corner.
Delhi police, please get ready.
Good leg attack, but it should be hit very hard, powerfully. That will be seen by the officials, the jury members. It is 2 points. A is the winner. किसको हो रहा है? 2 team names.
Team names, huh?
Definitely will be the winner. No need to play the third bout. It's 1 minute 23 seconds. Red corner, and the score is 3-all for all. The team which wins by taking last crucial 53 seconds in this second round. Oh, punch on the face straight away. 2 points. Pradesh, and still in the lead. See, Delhi is waiting. If they win this bout, they will win the match in this round, because in the first round Delhi had a win. Oh, this could be an equalizer.
Doctor! Good.
6-all. After a strong comeback, we have seen the blue corner, Delhi, had equalized the score. Oh, one more punch on the face. It's 7-all. Advantage given to both the athletes. One more point in the lead. Here ends the score. The bout is finished. The time up, and